Hi, I'm Heather Fenty, Head of Content and Partnerships at Ongig. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your job descriptions into attention-grabbing job postings. So the goal here is to attract more quality applicants, and think of your job posting as a marketing tool for your open role. Just like how an ad would attract customers to a product, we're attracting top talent to your company. Job seekers, especially today, spend only about 8 seconds on average looking through a job post before they decide if they want to learn more or click apply. So capturing their attention fast is so important. The goal isn't just to post a list of duties, qualifications, all the legal stuff, but really to create a story that resonates with the job seeker. So imagine through scrolling through a ton of job ads, what would really make yours stand out? So the answer is concise, engaging content that really speaks directly to what candidates want to know. You want to emphasize what's in it for them, why your company is a great place to work, and how the role offers unique opportunities potentially. So this is where Ongig really can help. Our text analyzer software helps you take job descriptions, the long, legal, boring ones, and turn them into postings that really highlight the key details and perks that align with your brand and that people want to know. So to show you how this works, I'm going to use an internal job description for a senior software engineer. So in this, you'll notice there are sections like job classification information, let's scroll down, performance goals and evaluation criteria, approvals, things that you might not necessarily want to use in a job posting. So what we'll do is you'll start with the templated job description, and we'll talk about creating those custom templates for your company in another video. But we have this templated already, and what you'll do is you'll click on job posting, this button here, and you have the option here to select a template. So I only have one in my demo account. The job posting example Nuco template is create posting. So it will take a couple minutes for the conversion to take place. When it does, it will save your existing job description that's templated, so you have that as a version, but then we'll open a new window that has this new created job posting. So now you see we have a job posting. You'll notice the sections are different, what you'll do, what we're looking for, salary, benefits, work where you thrive. So if you have remote information, making an impact, so your mission statement, your voice matters here, inclusion statement, all of these things were automatically written based on the job description that you already had. So from here, when it's ready, you'll notice, there's been some changes across the board with the template, but you'll also notice on the right side, you still have some improvement that you could do when it comes to bias, word choice, and readability. So you can manually click through these if you want to, or you can actually click on AI Optimize, and you can go through, fix the grammar, spelling, formatting, optimize your job title, reduce masculine bias, improve that readability by shortening long sentences. So you can click Rewrite Now, and it will go through that step by step. So you'll see it's checking things off as it's going through. And again, you can do this manually by just clicking on highlighted words or underlined words in the tabs to your right. But if you want to kind of speed up the process, it will do it for you. So it's optimizing the job title now, removing that acronym and turning SR into senior. And now you'll see we have an even more updated posting. So you see the total score, 93%, it's gone up. Again, you still have these other words that you might want to click on and just make sure, like for example, native English speaker, fluent in English. You can use that as a more inclusive option from a top school. Maybe you just want to say a degree in a related field. So we delete that. And then I'm ready to go with my job posting. So you decide what changes you want to make. And when that's done, you can export it in a variety of formats. So if you want to do a Word doc, HTML, I'll show you HTML for example. If you click export, this is what you can easily copy and paste and put into your applicant tracking system. You copy the HTML so it keeps the formatting when everything transfers over. You also have the option if you want to download a Word document and translate it into another language. We can do French, German, or Spanish right now, and you can actually export a translated document into Word here. And just a reminder, with anything that is done with AI, we always want to do, a human check and just make sure that everything aligns with our messaging, aligns with our brand. Read through everything that's output before you publish it anywhere. So with Ongig, you can definitely very quickly turn job descriptions into job postings and make them less legal sounding, less long. It just makes it a really quick and easy process. And it also really ensures that your content is clear, consistent with those templates, and inclusive. So thanks for watching.